Hello everyone. In this video I will talk about how we can download very high resolution imagery freely available for specific region actually. So there is a website called Open Aerial Map, which is a website that anyone can upload their images, for example, used by drones or their by images. They can upload in this website, so you can download these images for example, for training, for checking your data, for example. Actually, because there is a limited availability of the data for all of the Earth, so you cannot use it for specific, applications. But for just, uh, working with this data, for example, using a deep learning just to test the data, or for sake of teaching and using different tools in different softwares, you can use this data that it's freely available. For example, how can we download data? So this is the website, which is called map.openaerialmap. I will put the link into the course so you can find it. And the first thing is that you have to create account, which is easy. Just need an email or Gmail. You can easily create and confirm the email, and after that this will be the window when you log into the account. So when you zoom out, this yellow squares will be showed to you. So each yellow square means that there is an image here. So, and it will also tell you the number of the image. For example, in this area 358 images are available. But if you zoom in, these pixels or these squares will be smaller and smaller, and it will tell you what is the available image in this area. For example, let's go to this area, and you zoom it, it will give you the this is the images that are available. I think they should be captured by drone. For example, I'm going to click here. If you click it on the image, then in the left it will give you the detail about this. For example, I'm gonna need this one. I'm gonna click this. So this is the person that uploaded the image. So for example, I'm gonna need this image, this one. If I click on the image, you can zoom in to the image by this, and you can click on thumbnail by see for the image, and you can zoom in and see what is the resolution of the image. Actually, because it's not downloaded yet, so it needs some time to see the full resolution. So but it is written here that the detail of the image. For example, I can use this image for train deep learning model, or just to test the training model, or just to work on the data by this 5 centimeter resolution. So this is the squared date, this is the resolution, this is the name of the provider, this is the platform, which is UAV, not aerial or satellite. This is the sensor name, the camera that, or the drone that has been used. This is the amount of the or size of the image, and this is the type. So it's easily, you can just click on this one, download, and it will automatically download in only 15 minutes. So you can easily download data in this website, which is freely available. And also you can upload your data here. You can upload the GeoTIFF format that you have and put the information of the image inside it. So any other data you can search here, and also you can filter the data by here. For example, I want to hide, and also for example this last month. It will just give you the filtered image. For example, in the left side it will give you all the available image, for example, that uploaded last month. For example, this one is 3 centimeters. You can just click on it and read the information about it. For example, this is really this yesterday, this image uploaded by provider 3 data collect. This is the name of the provider, and you can see the image by clicking this, and actually it's really amazing that you can easily download this data. This is the sensor, this is the size, so easily you can just click on this and download the data. So also there is not just about having the drone images. Also there is other images, such as, for example, all satellite imagery. There are images, for example, this one. This is the satellite image, actually. Yeah, this 72 centimeter. This is the name of the provider, satellite platform, and this is the size. So there are variety of data that are available in this website. You can download it, and it's really amazing to have such free data, which are very high resolution. Majority of them are drone imagery. So just enjoy and download the data by just creating an account from Open Aerial Map.